Hello guys, welcome back to Current Affairs Adda, and in this video lecture we would cover the current affairs from 12th to 15th of July. You can avail the PDF notes in the link given in the description box, both in Hindi as well as in English. So what are the important topics for today? Chabahar Port, Iran-China draft agreement, reservation for disabled, India-Bangladesh ties, Tangams, an important especially from your art and culture, July 15th, and Sashikant Agarwal Commission. So let's begin. The first topic is Chabahar Port, an important development. So before reading words, let's begin into the concept. Go into the concept. It is that इंडिया को अफगानिस्तान तक सामान पहुंचानी है, अपनी ट्रांजिट्स को पहुंचानी है bypassing पाकिस्तान. In doing so, Chabahar turns out to be a strategic location. एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लोकेशन ये बन जाता है. सो कांडला से चबाहर पोर्ट तक सामान जाएगा. उसके बाद ट्राइलैटरल एग्रीमेंट साइन हुआ था बिटवीन इंडिया, ईरान एंड अफगानिस्तान to build a railroad from Chabahar to Zehdan along the borders of Afghanistan, and then from Zehdan to Zaranj in Afghanistan, so that the things can be transported to Afghanistan bypassing Pakistan. This turns out to be again a strategic port since it connects India to her extended neighborhood, that is Central Asia. Right. तो ये अग्रीमेंट 4 साल पहले साइन हुई थी. तो अभी क्या हुआ है कि ईरान ने इस एग्रीमेंट से पुल आउट कर दिया और बोला कि वो रेल रोड जो है बिना इंडिया के सपोर्ट के खुद कंस्ट्रक्ट करेगा, citing delays in Indian side in funding as the reason. As a result, कुछ experts and geopolitics analysts found this development important because it came in the backdrop when Iran had finalized a 25 years strategic and military draft agreement with China, which we'll talk about in the next slide. So let's talk about it. ईरान चाइना बायलैटरल रिलेशनशिप. ईरान ने चाइना के साथ 25 साल का इकोनॉमिक एंड सिक्योरिटी पार्टनरशिप साइन किया, जिसमें चाइना ईरान को मदद करेगा इन पोर्ट्स, कम्युनिकेशन, रेलवे एंड ऑल अदर स्टेप. बदले में ईरान चाइना को 25 साल तक हेवीली डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस पे ईरानियन ऑयल सप्लाई करेगा. साथ में दोनों में मिलिट्री कोऑपरेशन होगा and joint military exercises, joint research weapon development, intelligence sharing, ये सारी चीज़ होगी. अगेन जो पॉलिटिकल एक्सपर्ट्स है, एनालिसिस्ट है, वो उनका मानना है कि एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट है और ये डेवलपमेंट इस टाइम पे आया है जब डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है ईरान को कॉर्नर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, आइसोलेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ अ मिलिट्री एंड न्यूक्लियर एम्बिशन. इससे पहले ही ट्रम्प एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने बराक ओबामा के द्वारा साइन किया गया ट्रीटी से, न्यूक्लियर डील से यूनिलैटरली पुल आउट कर लिया था एंड टॉक अबाउट रीनेगोशिएटिंग दी ट्रीटी. तो इसके मद्देनज़र देखते हुए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट है. द नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ फॉर द डे इज रिजर्वेशन फॉर द डिसेबल्ड. The Supreme Court had highlighted and had said in a significant decision that disabled are also socially backward and are entitled to the same benefits and relaxation as the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates. Next is India-Bangladesh tie. For the first time, Indian Railways are transporting chilies from Guntur. GI tag मिला हुआ है, mark is important. There are other important list of items that have got GI tag. Guntur, dried chilies of Guntur have received GI tag, and important especially from your prelims point of view. This would be transported to Bangladesh using paracel train, and the cost for doing is 4,608 per ton. It was earlier done by road, and the cost turns out to be around 7,000 per ton. So it is much economical means to transfer the dried chilies to Bangladesh using parcel train. Next is तंगम ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश। अरुणाचल प्रदेश के सीएम ने एक बुक रिलीज किया है टाइटल्ड तंगम। ये क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड ट्राइब है, इनका लैंग्वेज जो है वो क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड है। ये वहाँ के सिर्फ 253 पीपल को ही पता है और ये रजिस्टर्ड है। दिस लैंग्वेज तंगम हैज़ बीन रजिस्टर्ड इन यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड एटलस इंडेंजर्ड लैंग्वेज. So it is the duty of the government to preserve the language, the culture. Comment down below the article under which the government has to protect, or the people had to protect the culture, the language, the scriptures. Right? Okay. Next is July 15th World Youth Day. It is being held in July 15th and the theme this year is Skill for Resilient Youth in the Era of COVID-19 and Beyond. It is important especially from your prelims point of view. When is World Youth Day is celebrated? And this captures Sustainable Development 4. It is related to Sustainable Development 4. Ensure inclusion, equitable quality education, promote lifelong learning and opportunities. So connect the two. Sashikant Commission has been set up. A single member commission has been set up to inquire into the alleged encounter of the gangster Vikas Dubey of Kanpur. So this commission is again important from your prelims point of view. They will give you options. Sashikant Commission is being set up for A. Bank, public sector banking. B. Digital India. C. Vikas Dubey encounter. D. None of these. So you have to mark the answer. So you need to relate. One more point in Iran, China, that in just 72 kilometers away, China is developing the Gwadar port. Okay, this is also a strategic significance. And in Iran-China relationship, China has been given a port also, has been promised a port also in. So this is to be developed in Iran. So again an important takeaway. So thank you guys. If you have any other doubts, just ping me or mail me in the address given. Thank you people. Keep learning, keep watching, keep sharing.